We welcome you to the first video of a series of 7 videos on the attributes of a successful person. Today's topic is personal development. Mindset foundations. Growth mindset. Successful people believe their abilities can be developed through dedication and hard work. They embrace challenges as opportunities to learn rather than threats to their self-image. This mindset fuels persistence and resilience in the face of setbacks. Positive outlook. They consciously cultivate optimism and focus on possibilities rather than limitations. Their positive perspective enables them to see opportunities where others see obstacles. This attitude attracts like-minded people and creates an upward spiral of positivity. Self-awareness. Successful individuals possess deep knowledge of their strengths, weaknesses, values, and emotions. They regularly reflect on their thoughts and behaviors to understand their impact on themselves and others. This awareness allows them to make conscious choices aligned with their authentic selves. Daily habits. Morning routine. Successful individuals begin their day with intentional practices that establish a positive tone. They typically rise early and engage in activities like meditation, exercise, or planning before the demands of the day take over. This morning discipline creates a foundation of control and accomplishment. Continuous learning. They dedicate time every day to expanding their knowledge and skills. Whether through reading, courses, podcasts, or conversations with mentors, they prioritize growth. This commitment to learning keeps them adaptable and innovative in a rapidly changing world. Health prioritization. Successful individuals understand that physical well-being is fundamental to sustained achievement. They make conscious choices about nutrition, exercise, and sleep quality. This investment in health provides the energy and mental clarity needed for peak performance. Emotional intelligence. Self-regulation. They have developed the ability to manage disruptive emotions and impulses effectively. In high-pressure situations, they can maintain composure and think clearly before acting. This emotional control prevents hasty decisions and builds trust with others. Empathy. Successful people can sense and understand the emotions, needs, and concerns of others. They listen deeply and consider different perspectives before forming judgments. This emotional awareness strengthens relationships and enhances collaboration. Social skills. They excel at building rapport and navigating complex social dynamics. Their communication is clear, authentic, and adapted to the needs of different audiences. This interpersonal effectiveness allows them to influence, inspire, and build meaningful connections. Thank you for watching. Please look for Basheer Juma on YouTube for further videos in English and Urdu. Please hold in-house training programs on this and the related topics. If this content is beneficial, kindly subscribe to the channel.